This is an urgent alert. Please stand by. The following tones will activate the emergency alert system.
A civil authority has issued local area emergency for the following counties or areas. Honolulu, Hawaii, at 5:48 p.m. on February 21, 2026, effective until 6:48 p.m. From the Oahu Department of Emergency Management, an evacuation order has been issued due to flash flooding in Otak Camp Waialua. Extremely dangerous flooding is occurring. The evacuation area includes Otak Camp along Kaupardi in Waialua. Floodwaters can move swiftly and rise rapidly. Driving into flooded areas is extremely dangerous and may result in injury or death. Leave now if you are in the evacuation area. Check alert.hnlalert.gov for updates or monitor local radio and TV stations. Do not walk or drive through moving water or on flooded roadways. Stay out of the area until emergency officials advise it is safe to return. Call 911 for emergencies only. Do not call 911 for information or non-emergency situations. Evacuation shelter is open at Waialua High and Intermediate School. First responders are in the area to notify residents of the evacuation.